unboxing another Stud Club plushie. So we have this one already. And, sino to? Sunshine Yellow. May pangalan pala sila. Sunshine Yellow, tsaka si Rog Pink. Roger Pink. Let's see what we got. Open. Let's see. Pag dito mo kasi sa likod, you could see na makikita mo na agad yung kulay. I hope it's this one. Oo. Sticker card. Ay! Oh my gosh, what's this? I think it's the secret.
Looks blue.
Secret. It's purple! So we got Taro purple. Yes, at least. Wow! Let's see the sticker. Wow! Yes! At least wala pa akong parehas. Wala pa akong duplicate.